What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol PRVB for Provention Bio. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, we have not talked about this one yet on the channel, so we're going to start with a daily roadmap, just coming in and pointing out the most obvious areas of support and resistance. Then we'll talk more nuance as we drill down to the 30-minute intraday time frame. So that's roughly what I'm seeing here. It's very nice to see it respecting technical levels, resisting right at this prior area of support. I'm not saying that anyone nailed the top. It's just nice to see. Again, it's respecting the technicals. Same thing with the daily 50 SMA, which is the blue line right there. Clearly, this thing is waking up. I mean, look at the huge influx in volume here. There was no company-specific news that I could personally find. Let me know in the comment section if I'm missing something, but there is lots of talks about potential short squeezes, right? So maybe that's kind of what's going on here. As we know, we still have to follow the technicals, right? It's not like we can just magically hop in here and expect this thing to go to, I don't know, 50 bucks or something crazy. Could that happen? Yeah, anything can always happen in the market, but let's keep it realistic. So we currently have a bull flag that printed on today's session. In the after hours, we're still kind of hanging out in this range. We're currently 526, 537. So it's not like we're dramatically lower or dramatically higher for that matter. And that's going to give us a fairly easy way to watch this into the remainder of the week. As long as we're above the low end of that flag consolidation, fine. Look for the breakouts to continue to potentially, quote unquote, squeeze this even higher. We know the next major resistance point is here, 618. And then after that, the doors really open up a little bit more to roughly 731. If you're someone who wants to, quote unquote, catch the short squeeze, you're probably looking for that 731. But here's the caveat, right? It's always going to boil down to volume. If the volume's not there, so I would just say it's got to be greater than 1 million shares per 30-minute bar sustained over the course of the day, then if we do get the 1 million, let me rephrase that, right? If we do get the 1 million, then fine. Look for the squeeze to happen. Maybe we make it to that 731. If it's less than 1 million shares per 30-minute bar throughout the day, it's probably not enough new eyeballs to continue to squeeze this thing higher and get us into these upper targets. I would watch for either sideways consolidation, or if this breaks at 520, notice the lack of structure. We were basically vertical there. I wouldn't be surprised if we fall all the way back down, closer to 4 quarter or 4 even from the low end of the Friday flag, right? So those are my thoughts to the downside. Be very, very careful if there's a lack of volume and we move underneath 520. There's just no structure here, so nothing to catch you if we start falling. That's all I've got for you inside of PRVB. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comment section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.